In today's video, I'll be showing you how to put coilovers in your car. So first off, you'll start with the car on the ground so you can undo the bolt without the wheels turning and take off the wheels so you can get access to the suspension. All the wheels have been taken off, as you can see right there. The coilovers are over here. We're going to do the rear first. So I've got to undo the bolts down there and the ones inside of the car. After I've put the coilovers in, instead of putting these wheels back on, I've bought some stock WRX wheels which I will be putting back on. I put one on just so I could show you what it looks like in the car. Once the bolt has come off the end of the pin, you can either keep turning it or hit it out with a hammer to get the suspension to drop freely. Suspension has been put in, as you can see. Down here, you just put this in loosely because you're going to be adjusting the suspension a bit. So you put it in, you just put this in, just do the bolt up hand tight, and then put on the wheel, see how it fits. If you don't like it, then you come in here, you pull off take out the pin and take off the bolt, and adjust these right here, and that will change the height of the suspension down, obviously higher, pull it, make it go higher up, and it'll be lower for your car. So I'll put on the wheel and show you what it looks like. I'm really happy how it looks. I've got a nice gap right here. It's not too close. When I lower it, it should drop a little bit more, but otherwise I think that looks good. The rear is done. It's time to put in the front suspension. So first off, you want to take off all these lines that are just bolted to the suspension, and then after that you'll undo these right here, these two, and then undo the ones up here. Coilover is in and you've got all these hoses and stuff attached. Just make sure you double check that you've tightened all the bolts and the coilover as well, and it's nice and tight so nothing will come loose. And now it's time to put on the wheels.